Hello! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connectivity and select it. And here find the Wi-Fi option. As you can see, the menu bugged out a little, so let's go back. Reopen the settings, tap on connectivity, find the Wi-Fi, tap on it, and make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. Once it is, scroll down and tap on add network option. It will start looking for the nearby networks. As you can see, here we have the list of networks we can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to and tap on it. Once you select the network, you will be asked to enter the password, and you have two options: enter on a phone or enter on the watch. If you tap on enter on a phone, it will open the pop-up on your phone and you can enter the password there. If you tap on enter on watch, it will open the keyboard and you can enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you enter the password, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. Let's see if it worked. Apparently nothing happened. Let me re-enter the password again. So select the network, enter the password. Okay, this time it worked. So once you enter the password correctly, you will see the connected on the network, which means that the watch is connected to the network. Also, if you go back to the Wi-Fi settings, it will appear right here under the Wi-Fi button and it will say connected. And if you go to the saved networks, it will appear right here on the saved networks, which means you have this network saved and it will connect to it automatically when you get in range. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button or side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.